fresh naman ni Sir. Good afternoon po, Sir. And good afternoon po. Once again to all our principal sponsors and to the very supportive and loving parents of the bride and the groom, you can enter na po here inside the reception area because this presidential setup is all for our principal sponsors. Kaya naman po, Nino at Ninang, you can take your seat na po. Ang ating parents ay dito. Alright, nandiyan na ba ang ating bagong kasal? Nandiyan na po. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause to the newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence and Viola Atienza. Palakpakan naman po natin, guys. As part of our traditions and rituals, syempre po ang ating bagong kasal ay ginagawa po sa ngayon ang mga traditions as newlywed. Okay, at this moment, it is now time to recognize our principal and secondary sponsors. Kaya naman sabay-sabay natin palakpakan, ladies and gentlemen, our very supportive and loving parents of our beautiful bride and our handsome groom. Palakpakan po natin.
Bilis eh, Mayla!
Ako na yan.
Wala na.
Yung kunin ko sa kamay.
Okay, palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen. Pag tinawag ko po ang iyong pangalan, pwede po muna tayong tumayo for you to recognize and acknowledge po. To the very loving parents of the bride, palakpakan po natin, Mrs. Aurelia Cuenco and Mr. Felicito Cuenco. Palakpakan po natin. Hello po, tatay. Hello po, nanay. Good afternoon po. And of course, the loving parents of our groom, we have Mrs. Maria Lourdes Atienza and Mr. Joseph Kuchama. Palakpakan naman po natin. Hello po. And now, let us all acknowledge the very fresh and young principal sponsors.